This video explains counting and the rule of abacus. This is the starting point of mathematics. Mathematics starts with arithmetic, and arithmetic starts with counting. We learn to count on our fingers as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have two hands with a total of 10 fingers. We can count with these fingers to find out how many things there are. But to count beyond 10, it requires more than two hands. Alternatively, we can use an abacus. An abacus is a counting board on which one can count to very large numbers. It has many wires. On each wire, there are 10 beads. The count appears on the abacus when beads are moved to the right. The count is the number of beads on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At 10, all 10 beads are counted to the right on a wire. They are replaced by counting one bead to the right on the next wire. This is the rule of abacus. When there is no bead on the right, the count is 0. We count beyond 10 by moving beads on the first wire again. 11, 12, 13, and so on. Today, we may not use the abacus, but we still use the rule of abacus in our numbering system. For example, after 19, the next number is 20. After 29, the next number is 30, and so on. And we get after 89, the next number is 90. And after 99, the next number is 100. At 99, we have to use the rule of abacus twice to get to the number 100. Computers and binary numbers. In our computers, we use the binary numbers made up of zeros and ones. These binary numbers may be created on an abacus that has only two beads on each wire. The rule of abacus applies to this binary abacus also. The number of beads on a wire represents the base of the numbering system. If you imagine an abacus with two beads on each wire, it will use the digits 0 and 1 only, because when 2 is counted, the rule of abacus will apply and the number 2 will appear as 1, 0. The number 3 will appear as 1, 1. At 4, the rule of abacus will be applied twice. The number 4 will appear as 1, 0, 0. You may construct all binary numbers this way. Let's check your understanding. What is counting? The traditional way of counting consists of calling the first item as 1, the next item as 2, and so on. Counting can go on forever. What is the rule of abacus? The rule of abacus is, when all beads are counted to the right on a wire, they are replaced by counting one bead to the right on the next wire. How is the rule of abacus helpful? You need only as many digits to write the numbers as there are beads on a wire of abacus. One of these digits is always 0. This is very useful when there are only two polarities to represent numbers, as in the case of binary computers. Here is the final thought. The very fact of counting makes mathematics fundamentally discrete. It cannot exactly duplicate continuous reality, such as the reality of pi.